In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Wix Chat on your website. Setting up Wix Chat is a fantastic way to engage directly with your visitors in real time, allowing you to provide better customer service and potentially increase sales. Let's dive right into the process. First, you'll want to start by opening a web browser and heading over to wix.com. Once you're on the home page, locate the Login button, typically found in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Click it and enter your login credentials to access your Wix account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up, but assuming you do, just proceed to the login phase. After you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to your account's dashboard. Here you should see a list of your sites. Locate the specific site you want to add the Wix Chat to and click on the Select and Edit Site button. This action will take you directly to the editor page, setting the stage for us to start integrating Wix Chat. From your site's dashboard, look over to the menu on the left and click on the Apps section. This is where Wix allows you to manage and add new functionalities to your site. Once you're in the Apps section, you'll see an option called App Market. Go ahead and click on it. This takes you to a comprehensive marketplace of all available Wix applications. Now that you're in the App Market, you'll notice a search bar at the top. In this search bar, type Wix Chat. As you type, the search function will likely offer autocomplete suggestions, which is quite handy. Select Wix Chat from the list of suggestions or press Enter to execute your search. Once the search results load, look for the Wix Chat app and click on it. This will open up the app details page. Here, you'll find more information about the features and benefits of Wix Chat, reinforcing why it's such a great addition to your site. Spend a moment reviewing these if you're interested, but when you're ready, simply proceed to click on the Add to Site button. This action will begin the installation process, integrating the chat feature into your website seamlessly. After Wix Chat is successfully added, you can often customize its appearance and settings to suit your brand and user preferences. Make sure to explore the settings options to optimize your chat for the best visitor experience. And there you have it. You've successfully set up Wix Chat on your website. This tool will enable you to directly communicate with your site visitors, helping you build relationships and provide immediate support. We hope you find this guide helpful. Thank you for watching, and happy chatting.